Hello children, Sujata Miss is here with another video. Now in this video I am going to discuss types of natural vegetation for class 10 ICSE board. Here I am going to talk about tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, the forest based on rainfall. Tropical evergreen forest, it is so called because it is located in the torrid zone and the trees have no particular time to shed their leaves. Therefore, whenever you go to the forest always appears green. Another is tropical deciduous forest. It is so called because it is located in the torrid zone and the trees here have a particular time to shed their leaves. Usually they shed their leaves during dry period. This tropical deciduous forest can be divided into moist deciduous and dry deciduous. Moist deciduous, the rainfall is 100 to 200 centimeter, and dry deciduous rainfall is 70 to 100 centimeter. Now let us discuss tropical evergreen forest. Rainfall more than 200 centimeter, temperature 25 to 27 degree Celsius. Characteristic features of this forest. Number 1, the forest have multi-layered structure. That means if you look at this forest, if you have an aerial view of this forest, you will see that the trees are found in steps or in layers. Very tall trees, trees of medium height and short trees. Second, these tall trees, they are about 60 meters high, hardwood with broad leaves. Third, this forest is very dense. Now since the forest is very dense, so usually the trees are very closely spaced. So the branches of these trees, they entangle together, forming a canopy at the top. As a result, the sunlight cannot get in, cannot penetrate, and so the forest remains very dark inside. Thus, it is very difficult to penetrate into the forest. Next, dense undergrowth. So, again it is difficult to enter. And the last one is trees not found in pure stands. That means in a small area we will see different types of trees are found. Okay, and therefore each tree will shed their leaves in its own time. There is no particular time to shed their leaves, and thus the forest appears always evergreen. Now, very common question from this part: what defines tropical evergreen forest? It is found in torrid zone and the forest always looks green since the trees have no particular time to shed their leaves. Suppose I ask you why it is so difficult or why this tropical evergreen forest commercially not important. 1, the trees form a canopy, or the forest have canopy at the top, therefore sunlight cannot penetrate and it remains very dark and very dense. There are a lot of undergrowth there, so it is difficult to construct roads, swampy lands with full of insects and all. So it becomes very difficult to get into the forest. And third, trees are not found in pure stands. So in spite of the fact that they have important trees like rosewood, ebony, mahogany, gurjan, all of these have hard timber, durable timber, fine grained. Still, this forest is commercially not very important. Now, important areas where you have this forest. One is western slopes of Western Ghats. Number 2, northeastern hills. Number 3, Andaman, Nicobar and Lakshadweep Islands. Important states: Kerala, parts of Maharashtra, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya. Next we have tropical deciduous forest. Here the temperature 24 to 27 degrees Celsius. Rainfall 100 to 200 centimeter. But if rainfall is between 70 to 100 centimeter, then it is known as dry deciduous forest. Now, what about the characteristic features? Again, the trees here are hardwood, but they are found in pure stands. Pure stands means one area having same variety of tree. Second characteristic is during spring or early summer, that is between March, April, subsoil water is not enough. So, in order to reduce the rate of transpiration, the trees shed their leaves, and so they are termed as deciduous. Next, it is most economically important forest. Why? First reason is it occupies a larger area than tropical evergreen forest, and second, it yields valuable timber. Third, they are found in pure stands, whereas in tropical evergreen forest they are found in mixed stands. So this deciduous forest is commercially more important than tropical evergreen forest. Important trees: teak, sal, shimul, sandalwood, myrobalan. Important areas: eastern slopes of Western Ghats, Shivalik Range, Chota Nagpur Plateau. Important states: Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Orissa, Madhya Pradesh. Now children, that's all for today, but I'm going to ask you one question. Suppose a boy has gone for a visit to Andaman Nicobar Islands. So if I ask you what kind of vegetation did he see around, what was the speciality of that vegetation? Number one, very tall trees. Different types of trees were found in one area, that is mixed, found in mixed stands or not found in pure stands. And then it was very dark, difficult to see when that person was trying to enter the forest, because the forest had formed a canopy at the top, and so sunlight could not penetrate. Okay. So children, that's all for today. Next day I will discuss the other types of natural vegetation. If at all you like my teaching, please subscribe and share the channel.